Once again, welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash. Today, we'll be making French toast with a twist. So let's start. You can also call this a bread pancake. This is a wonderful recipe. Even a beginner or a kid can make it. Let's see the ingredients. Here, I have one large egg. Here, I have 2 slices of bread, not so fresh. Some butter. I have some around 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want, you can increase or decrease the sweetness. Here I have some milk. Simple ingredients, simple method. Let's get started. First, let me crumble the bread. Here I am using my Prestige mini chopper. If you don't have this, you can always use a mixer grinder. I am using a Prestige mini chopper. You can also use a mixer grinder if you don't have this. If the bread is very dry, you can even crumble it with your hands. We basically have to mince it. I love doing this. This is so much fun. Looks good, perfect.
Sure. Okay.
Let me keep this aside for now. Grab a big bowl. Let me crack an egg. Let me add 1 tablespoon of sugar into this. As I said, you can increase or decrease the sweetness. It's your choice. Now let me beat it. This stage, you can also add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence to make it more flavorful. I'm going to add a touch of butter to this. I tell you, this is unsalted butter. The sugar is well incorporated. Now let me add some butter. This is optional.
How much did you add?
I added like 1
so
quarter.
much.
Add a pinch of salt so it enhances the flavors. If you're using salted butter, avoid salt. To add about 3 tablespoons of milk. That's it, the mixture is ready. Now I'm going to add the breadcrumbs to it. Mix everything well. If you find that the mixture is thick, you can add some milk. I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. Totally, I've added 4 tablespoons of milk. How my mixture looks like. The pan is hot. Let me grease it with some butter. Now you can make small pancakes or you can make a large one. I'm going to make 1 large pancake of French toast. Spread it gently. I'm going to close the lid. This well on both the sides. Check. Smells good. Soft. Let me gently try flipping it.
Oh, looks awesome, Bihan.
Friends, did you see that? Butter time. Let's drizzle some more butter. I would also like to tell you, you can also drizzle ghee. Of course, oil. If you also want, you can use oil. Completely cooked. Let's plate it. Perfect. Now you can have it plain, or you can drizzle some pancake syrup or some chocolate syrup or whatever you like. I'm going to drizzle some pancake syrup and enjoy. Friends, it's super yum. Enjoy it in your breakfast, pack it in your tiffin box, or you can also have this as an evening snack. Tastes perfect. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon with a brand new recipe. Goodbye. Friends, if you have any interesting recipe which kids can make, please send it to me. I'll make it for you. Bye.